Hello guys, it's Christmas time and today I am going to show you how to make a Christmas decoration ball in Blender. First add an ICO sphere. Press Tab to go to edit mode. Press and hold Alt key and then select any of these vertices. Press and hold Shift and then select top vertex. Press S to scale and then press E and Z and then pull it upwards. By doing this, we are trying to achieve the shape of a Christmas ball. Now add subdivision surface modifier and increase it to 2. We will fix this by just pressing E in edit mode. Right-click and then select Shade Smooth. We will now add a cylinder mesh. Scale it down and adjust it accordingly to the top of the ball. Also add a torus mesh. We will go to edit mode and delete half part of it. Place it on the top of the model after rotating it at 90 degrees. Our 3D model has now taken the shape of a decorative ball. Go to Shading tab and then I will change the base color of the ball to bright red. Increase the metallic to 1 and decrease the roughness. Before shading the top part, we will go to Layout and Shade Smooth it by right-clicking on it. I want it to be of golden color. Increase the metallic property. We will add noise texture and also a bump vector. Join color to height and normal to normal. Increase the scale and other properties to make it look nice. We will assign the same material to top handle as well. The ball looks realistic only when it reflects what's around it. We will go to World Properties and then select Environment Texture in Color tab. I will select an image I had downloaded. You can download it from the link in description box below. You can make it transparent by going in Film tab in Output. Our model is complete. You can also add light add-on if you want. Be sure to select cycles in Render Engine as it looks more realistic. And we are done. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel. 3D Talks wishes Merry Christmas to all those who celebrate.